guys, it's Kendra here. So it is Wednesday and I had a plan for today, but those plans changed. So I was about to get ready to go to Pilates and I got my period this morning. So I can't go. I thought about going, like I was putting on my Lululemon leggings and everything, and I was like, you know what? I can feel these cramps creeping around the corner. And I thought about whose class was on the schedule for today, and it's Elaine's class. I was not ready for that today. I can't go. Kelsey's going by herself again, and I'm really disappointed in myself because I was going to start my Pilates classes back today because I haven't been working out like the past, I've missed a lot of classes last month because I got a chemical peel, and y'all know when you get a chemical peel, you can't sweat, you can't work out, can't take like 2 hot showers, all things that I always do. So day one dot for me, I'm of no use to society. Like I don't do anything on the first day, but like make some tea, you know, doctor myself up. And I just made myself my cramp killer, which I always make, which is ginger tea and raspberry leaf tea. So if you guys have bad cramps like me, this is a lifesaver. Although I will say my cramps used to be a lot worse like years ago, like when I was a teenager. They're not that bad, but they're still not, you know, great. So I'm not gonna go today. I am gonna go to Friday's class. Kelsey said this girl Marissa, that's her name? Marissa is the instructor for Friday, and she says she's a little easier than Elaine. So I'm gonna go to Friday's class, but I really wanted to go to today's class. But it's okay, I'll just move this class to another day when I'm not, you know, cramping and PMSing. So I wanted to show you guys some bedding that I got because I'm gonna change my bedding out in a few days, not today. I wanted to change out my bedding because it's time for like a new duvet cover, and I wanted like a more minimal clean look on my bed for like the summer. And right now I like the look with like the velvet pillows for like fall and winter. So I'll put like the pretty velvet pillows back on when it gets like colder out because I like that look for cold weather. I still like that look, just I want something different right now. And it was time for me to get a new duvet because that one is kind of dingy right now. And then the shams that I have are turning in a weird way because they're white obviously, and they're looking kind of like yellow, and it's just not cute. And I wash them all the time and they don't look right. So I got some Pottery Barn stuff, which is, I think I've always gotten my bedding from Pottery Barn as far as like duvet covers and stuff. I don't think I've gotten my duvet covers from anywhere else, I don't think. So I just got another plain white one, but this one is called the Wash Sateen one. So this is what this looks like. It's like a nice linen cotton mixture material. And I got 4 shams because I think I'll just put a picture up somewhere for how I want my bed to look. I want something really minimal. So I want to do standard shams like in the front. So I'm not going to do decorative pillows for the summer just because I want to switch it up. Like I said, I want something more simple. So these are the standard shams. And I'm going to put these in the front. And then I'm going to obviously have like my regular pillows that I sleep on, like that have my satin pillowcases on them. I'm gonna have those in the middle, and then I'm gonna do these king size shams in the back because they're the biggest. So I think I'm gonna like that look. I am gonna show you guys when I change everything out. So we will see how that looks when I change it. I'm gonna eat my breakfast because I did make some oatmeal with bananas because bananas are supposed to be good for cramps. I usually don't take any kind of like Aleve or like Advil or anything until I literally feel like I'm death warmed up, and I'm not there yet, so I'm not going to take any. Also, besides these 2 teas, Kelsey introduced me to chai tea, just plain decaffeinated chai. That works wonders for cramps as well. It like almost like numbs them. Yes, we need to get some more of that. I know it's the cinnamon and clove in it. Yeah, it has the cinnamon and clove in it, which is like a good remedy for cramps if you guys are looking for something like that. Like I said, if you have, you know, annoying severe cramps like I do. So yeah, make sure you do that and get you a good heating pad because the heating pad is a lifesaver. So I'm gonna eat my oatmeal. That's probably the only meal I have until later because I'm never hungry like on the first day of my cycle. And then on like on the 4th day, I wanna eat the whole kitchen, you know? Yeah, that's the little update for today. I really wanted to go today. I'm still thinking about this Pilates class. I was so excited to go back today. But I wanna give my all when I go to Pilates. I don't wanna just have class, you know? So I'm gonna wait to go to Elaine's next class. I'll probably go to one at the end of the month. Like I said, I'll just move this class. Hi guys, so today's Thursday. Kendra and I just got done filming a video. This is probably gonna go up tomorrow, but we're gonna have to edit it when we get back from Pilates because tomorrow we have an earlier Pilates class. Tomorrow we have a 1 o'clock class because for some reason tomorrow they don't have classes after that. Like their latest class tomorrow ends at 2. But I want to briefly show you guys our setup because ever since we did like this whole new setup last year, a few people were asking like what's it look like, and I don't feel like doing like a whole drawn out video on the main channel about each thing that's in this room right now. It looks a little all over the place, but it always looks good on camera. So if you guys could see the chaos that's behind a lot of people's setup, you would be like, girl, what is going on in here? But thank God we have the space to do this now. But let me show y'all. First things first, this is the backdrop we use today, like a silky backdrop. We usually get all of our fabric from Joann Fabric. Most places have them. You might have one in your city. And we just have these little clips around. So these clips are from Amazon, so they have really nice grip. So we have them all around the backdrop. It looks a little wrinkled now, but it didn't look like that on camera because these lights help. But yeah, normally Kendra steams. She'll steam the fabric that we're using before the video. So that's our steamer down there. I think that's from Target or Walmart. I'm pretty sure it's from Target. We've had that steamer forever. So these are the lights that we use to light the background. So these lights are strictly to light the backdrop. So you just turn it on like that in the back, and then you can like make it brighter like this or turn it down. So yeah, these light the whole back situation. This is the cheapest but most transforming thing you could ever use for your videos. So this is a piece of cardboard from a box that we had from a package, and we just covered it in aluminum foil, and it basically makes the light coming from the top bounce off of here onto your face. Because sometimes in videos, most people, they're just lit from the front, but these are very helpful if you need light to bounce off of the top and onto your face. It just makes a softer effect. It makes it look more professional. So this is super cheap and expensive, but something that makes the biggest difference. So if you just have like a ring light or something, you can still use this. It'll help like the light bounce from the ring light and help light you from the bottom up. This is our monitor. This is from Android, I think. It's kind of annoying to work with because this thing dies so fast. Like we can only use it maybe like 2 or 3 times and we have to charge it. So that's kind of annoying. But yeah, it's been doing the job for now. So yeah, actually I need to turn it off. This is our camera. This is a Canon. This is the 5D Mark. I'll have it on the screen. So yeah, this is our camera. Really good camera. This is the lens that it came with. We used to use a Sigma lens on our old camera. We used to use the 70D, the Canon 70D. This is the box light that we use. We used to have 2 that like were in front of each of us, but now we had to move this one to the middle. So this is what we see when we're sitting down filming. It's a window back there. This is what we see. So we used to have 2 on each side, but we just have this one for right now because this one broke. So it's just laying on the couch right now until I can figure out if I can fix it or if it has to go in the trash. But I don't want to throw it away because we've had these box lights for so long. We've had them for years, ever since we were at like our second apartment. So I'm kind of sad that this one isn't working. So these are the other 2 lights that we film with. So this and that one is the exact same light, but we turn them down onto the foil so that it, you know, bounces the light off really well. So we have top lights, front light, back light. This is what we use for our sit down setups videos. But yeah, sometimes lately we've been on the main channel. If you notice, sometimes we'll film in Kendra's room or we'll film in the living room, depending on what kind of video it is, if I just don't want to just a plain background. But we always bring this with us in whatever room we're filming in now because it just makes the biggest difference. And then sometimes also I'll keep that vanity light on. That's my vanity light. That's why I get ready, because I notice a difference if I turn it off. So it adds like a nice extra piece of light in the room because lighting is so sensitive. Any little piece of extra light in the room makes a big difference. Like all these like cool tone lights that we have on in here, and if I turn that lamp on, which is warm tone, it'll completely change the lighting on camera. Or if I open those blinds, it'll also change the lighting. So yeah, lighting is just very sensitive. Oh, by the way, I actually need to fold this fabric. This look a mess. I need to fold this. It's making the couch look sloppy, so I need to fold this. So yeah. By the way, this couch is still in here. It used to be on this wall, but ever since we started doing this whole setup, we had to move the couch over here and roll up our rug. So it's not the cute like glam room that it once was. It's this studio type vibe, which is kind of annoying when we're not using it. But I don't be having time to take all these lights down every time we're not filming, so we just turn the lights off and go about our business. Also, if you have a lot of lights, this is also very helpful. You need like a good, what is this thing called? Extension cord thingy. Yeah, that, whatever. Yeah, I think that's from either Target or Amazon. And by the way, all of these lights are from B&H Studio, as well as our camera. Just wanted to show you guys that. Also, guys, this is exactly where we shot a lot of our photo shoots during 2020, and whenever we have to do like a sponsored post that has to have like a professional type shoot, we shoot in here, and we use like the roll-up backdrops that you saw in the corner. And we use the exact same camera that we film our videos on to shoot like professional photos. Okay guys, so we're just leaving Pilates. But the reason they had classes today only until 2 was because they were having instructor training for the rest of the day. So yeah, that's why we had to go ahead and take the latest class they had today, which was 1 to 2. So, but now we're just on our way to Whole Foods to get some wine because it's Friday, my favorite day of the week. But we'll probably just make some lunch when we get home, and then we have to edit a video to go up today. So yeah. Hi guys, so today is Saturday. I just got done cleaning a little bit. Let me know if you guys' cleaning day is Saturdays or Sundays. I prefer to clean on Saturdays. I don't like doing anything on Sundays, but I'm actually very hungry right now. Shout out to HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. I'm about to make us some lunch. Kendra and I did the veggie box this time, so I'm gonna make this black bean and charred corn burrito bowl. Oh, it looks pretty good. This is a new one. I haven't made this one before. Because so far my favorite from the veggie box has been this chowder that we made. It was probably maybe like a few months ago in a vlog. It was so freaking good. Oh my gosh, we ate off of that for like 3 days, I think. Y'all, it was bomb. Amazing. So you guys know we love HelloFresh. They've become a big part of our monthly menu. It's perfect if you're getting bored with meals and don't know what to cook. HelloFresh's newest menu release includes Mediterranean recipes that are filled with fresh fruits and veggies, nuts, olive oils, and fiber-packed whole grains for nourishing balance. Treat yourself with premium picks, a changing collection of top-of-the-line recipes offered each week. HelloFresh recipes feature produce that goes from the farm to your front door in under a week, which means their spring menu features the season's freshest flavors. You can also customize your favorite dishes with HelloFresh's new Hello Custom offerings by swapping out one protein or side for another, upgrading for a more luxe experience, or even adding protein to a veggie meal. That means more choices, more variety, and more meals truly tailored to you. With HelloFresh, it's so easy to adjust your plan and increase your order size to help with meal planning for large groups or to have leftovers for lunch the next day. HelloFresh offers a wide variety of quick and easy recipes that minimize prep and make cleanup a breeze. Also, HelloFresh is the first carbon-neutral meal kit company, and nearly all packaging is recyclable. HelloFresh recipes include pre-portioned ingredients. That means less prep for you and less wasted food. Fit and wholesome recipes make it easy to eat well without sacrificing flavor, so you can maintain your goals and feel good about your food choices with HelloFresh. So looking at this reminds me of the burrito bowl I make every summer for us, because it's delicious but it's still healthy.
Yeah, but this is like without the meat.
Yeah, exactly, because I usually do like ground turkey, but yeah,
That's true.
it's basically the same thing. It's really good, very fresh. So you guys can head over to HelloFresh.com and use the code GlamTwinTV16 for 16 free meals and 3 surprise gifts. Good morning, guys. So it is Monday and I'm finally feeling like a person today. So I'm gonna change out my bedding this morning and I'm just gonna show you guys while I switch it out because I think it needs a refresh and I'm just ready for a change. And like I said the other day, it was time for a new duvet cover because the one I have now is dingy and it's just time for a new one. Also, I need to clean this mirror, but besides the point, I'm going to change out my bedding so you guys can see, you know, the nice minimal. As you can see now, the pillows are there. I'll show y'all in a minute. But I'm going to have a new, fresh, minimal summer vibe. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. As you can see, I have 5 velvet pillows here. I don't want the pillows for the summer. I will put them back when the fall and winter months come. And I also had like a throw blanket right here, but I removed that when it started to get warmer out, like when spring started, so I already got rid of that. And I always put that on when it gets cold out anyway. I never have that throw that I had in my room tour. I never have that on the bed during the spring and summer months anyway. But this year I wanted to do something completely different, so it's gonna be nice and minimal and clean. So yeah, this is my setup now. Okay guys, so I'm done making my bed. This duvet took forever to dry because I did wash like all my bedding when I took it out of like the packaging. And the duvet takes forever like usual. So I was waiting for that to dry. It's slightly wrinkled, but those will come out over time. I did steam the pillowcases a little bit, but those are also a little wrinkled. So linen and cotton bedding get wrinkled like that and it'll come out eventually. But I just prefer how simple this is right now. And yeah, I just wanted to change. I think I'll prefer it with my white satin pillowcases instead of those gold ones, but those are the only clean ones I have right now. So I will switch it out eventually to the white ones, but those are in the wash right now, so I can't change them. And I'll just sleep on these for now. So, and I usually don't fold the blanket back like that, but I thought the fold back looked better with this look. It's from Pottery Barn, if you guys are wondering. I'll link it in the description box if you're interested. And the matching shams. So yeah,